Similarly, fasting has a very strong link to patience. It has even been mentioned as the month of patience. And so a person learns patience through fasting by holding back from his desires, holding back from food, holding back from water, holding back from the desires of intercourse, etc. So a person learns to hold back and to be patient. Similarly, a person realizes the great blessings of Allah upon him because he realizes what a great state he is in compared to those who are constantly in hunger throughout the year, day and night, whereas he is only temporarily in that state of hunger from Fajr till Maghrib, and then he will eat. So he experiences that hunger, and that causes him to empathize and to recognize how the people who have been blessed with far less than him are and what their state is, and therefore what the great blessings of Allah are upon him. Similarly, a person realizes how small and weak we are as servants of Allah, that after just a few hours of no food and no drink, then our bodies become weak already. No matter how tough a person is, how athletic and fit a person is, a few hours with no food and no drink, and already their energy is depleting, already the weakness is appearing. And so this shows how weak a creation we are, and it shows the great might and majesty of our Creator.